So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have a new project called disease prediction, in which you can predict the disease as per the input. Okay, so it's developed using Python and machine learning models. So we have cancer model, diabetes model, heart model, kidney model, liver model, and Parkinson model. So you can test diseased if you have or not using this particular models and using this project. So let's run the project, and as you can see, here is the command for running this project: python -m streamlit run app.py. Now I'm opening the localhost. As you can see, the links are available, and as I have already opened it, here is the project. Here is the main page, or you can say the hero page of the project. Now on the left side you can see here is a sidebar, and I'm clicking on cancer. So it's some default value which I have given here by default. Also, you can, if you have some reports, then you can also submit the report and you can get some output regarding this, either you have cancer or not. And as you can see here, you don't have cancer. And I'm clicking on like the diabetes. Also here also, in previous he is asking for concave area, radius, perimeter, and concavity. And here diabetes, he is asking for pregnancies, glucose level, BP count, BMI, etc., age, something like that. So if I'm clicking get result, so you do not have diabetes. Okay, let's say, okay, then heart disease test. So here chest pain type. Let's change the output. First of all, let's check what is currently it's showing. Your heart is healthy. Okay, your heart is healthy. Okay, the maximum heart rate achieved. Okay, so let's change some output and check whether it's working properly or not. I'm entering is 300. So the maximum heart rate 300 is too much. Okay, so let's check the result now. Okay, I have to change this one. I have to set this one like resting blood pressure. Okay, got it. So as you can see, after changing the input to a negative side, the result is you are likely to have a heart disease. Please see a doctor or visit a doctor. Okay, so here is a kidney test. So as you can see, I'm just clicking on the result. Okay, so it's also an abnormal report, so that's why it's showing that you have a kidney disease, visit a doctor or see a doctor. Okay, so this is all about our project. If you want this project, then don't forget to reach out to me. Just check the description, there are my numbers, my LinkedIn handle, and everything are mentioned there. Also, you can use this project for your academic and your universities, and it's a kind of good project so that you can earn good marks by having the project. Okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.